Have you ever looked at the ingredients list on a bottle of shampoo and wondered what on earth half of those chemicals are? Or maybe you're tired of the cycle of washing, drying, and feeling like your hair is constantly either too dry or too oily. Well, you're not alone. More and more people are ditching shampoo altogether and going instead for more natural ways to clean their hair without stripping it of its natural oils. And trust me, there's nothing quite like the freedom of washing your hair without worrying about chemicals or expensive salon products. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to traditional shampoo and explore some game-changing natural alternatives, stick around. In this video, we will reveal to you 7 effective ways to wash your hair without shampoo, and trust me, you're about to experience healthier, cleaner hair like never before. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar method. Let's kick things off with the holy grail of natural hair washing, the famous baking soda and apple cider vinegar method. Apple cider vinegar is perfect for balancing the pH of your scalp and keeping your hair healthy and clean. Baking soda, on the other hand, is slightly alkaline, which means it helps lift away dirt and oil without the harsh detergents found in traditional shampoos. So, here's how to do it right. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to make a paste, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Wet your hair thoroughly, then apply this paste directly to your scalp, working it in with your fingertips in gentle circular motions. This is your cleanser, and it works by naturally balancing your scalp's pH and absorbing excess oils. Don't expect it to lather. That's totally normal. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Now here's where the magic happens. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a cup of water and pour this solution through your hair, avoiding your scalp. Let it sit for a minute or two, then rinse with cool water. The vinegar smell will disappear once your hair dries, leaving you with incredibly soft, shiny locks. Start with using this method once a week and adjust based on how your hair responds. Pro tip: keep a couple of squeeze bottles in your shower for easy application, and always use raw, unfiltered ACV for best results. Number 2. Clay wash. Using clay to wash your hair might sound a bit strange, but it's actually one of the most effective and gentle ways to cleanse your scalp. Clays like bentonite clay and Rassel clay have natural absorbent properties that help draw out dirt, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your hair. To make a clay wash, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of clay with enough water to make a smooth, yogurt-like consistency. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, rosemary or lavender work great for a lovely scent and extra benefits. Apply this mixture to wet hair, section by section, making sure to cover your scalp thoroughly. Here's where patience comes in. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes, but don't let it dry completely on your hair. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, using your fingers to make sure all the clay is out. Follow up with an ACV rinse or a natural conditioner if needed. Your hair might feel a bit different at first, almost squeaky clean, but don't worry, it'll settle into gorgeous softness as it dries. This method is perfect for those with oily hair or product buildup, and it's gentle enough to use weekly. Number 3. Co-washing with conditioner. Co-washing, or conditioner washing, is a fantastic option for those who want to keep their hair clean without using shampoo. The idea behind co-washing is that conditioner is effective enough to remove dirt and grime while leaving your hair soft and moisturized. To co-wash, simply wet your hair and apply a generous amount of conditioner from roots to ends. Look for a conditioner that is silicone-free, as silicones can cause buildup over time, especially without shampoo to wash them away. Now massage the conditioner into your scalp for a few minutes, focusing on removing any dirt or excess oil. The massaging action is key here, as it helps lift away impurities while still nourishing your scalp and hair. After massaging, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water, making sure to remove all of the conditioner. Some people find that co-washing works best when alternated with another cleansing method, while others use it exclusively. Co-washing is particularly great for people with curly, textured, or dry hair, as it helps maintain the natural oils and leaves hair feeling soft and hydrated. If you have oily hair, you may need to experiment to find the right conditioner or frequency that works best for you. Number 4. Herbal tea rinse. As you may know, different herbs offer different benefits for your hair. chamomile lightens and soothes, rosemary stimulates growth, nettle reduces dandruff, and sage darkens gray hair. Here's how to make your perfect herbal hair wash. Steep 4 to 5 bags of your chosen tea or 4 to 5 tablespoons of loose herbs in 2 cups of hot water for at least 30 minutes. Longer is better. Let it cool completely. Now you have 2 options. You can either use this as a final rinse after washing with another method, or use it as your primary cleanser. For the cleansing method, pour the cooled tea over your scalp in sections, massaging gently with your fingertips. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water. The tannins in the tea help remove buildup while the herbs work their magic. For extra cleansing power, add a tablespoon of ACV to your tea rinse. This method is gentle enough to use as often as you like, and you can experiment with different herb combinations to find your perfect blend. Before we continue, if you have been finding the video helpful so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 5. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is another amazing natural alternative to shampoo, and it's perfect for people with dry or sensitive scalps. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, and it can help cleanse the scalp while providing much-needed moisture. To use aloe vera as a hair cleanser, you can either use store-bought pure aloe vera gel or extract the gel from a fresh aloe leaf. Wet your hair and apply the aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, massaging it in with your fingertips. The gel will help lift away dirt, oil, and residue while nourishing your scalp. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. Aloe vera is gentle enough to use every week, and it's especially effective if you struggle with an itchy or flaky scalp. If your hair tends to feel dry, you can mix a little bit of coconut milk or add a few drops of your favorite carrier oil to the aloe vera gel for extra hydration. Number 6. Rye flower cleansing. This might sound weird, but trust me, rye flower is about to become your hair's new best friend. It's packed with nutrients and has a natural saponin content that creates a gentle cleansing action. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of rye flour. Make sure it's very finely ground, with enough water to make a smooth paste. Think pancake batter consistency. Apply this to wet hair, focusing on the scalp first, then working through to the ends. Massage gently but thoroughly. This is key for getting the cleansing benefits. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse very thoroughly with warm water. And when I say thoroughly, I mean it. You don't want any flour bits left behind. Follow up with an ACV rinse if desired. Your hair will feel incredibly clean and soft with natural volume that commercial shampoos can't match. Number 7. Egg wash. Eggs are packed with proteins and healthy fats that can transform your hair from dull to dazzling. Here's a recipe for success. For shoulder-length hair, crack 1 whole egg into a bowl. Use 2 if you have longer hair. If you have oily hair, use just the whites. If your hair is dry, add an extra yolk. Whisk it up with a fork until well combined. Add a splash of lemon juice or ACV to cut through any eggy smell. Apply this mixture to damp hair, focusing on your scalp and roots first, then work it through to the ends. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, no longer than that. Now here's the crucial part. Rinse with cool water only. Warm or hot water will cook the egg, and trust me, you don't want that mess in your hair. Follow up with an ACV rinse for extra shine. This method is perfect for using once every 1 to 2 weeks, as too much protein can make hair stiff. You can also add a teaspoon of honey to your egg mixture for extra moisturizing benefits. At the end, switching to washing your hair without shampoo can be a bit of an adjustment, but these natural alternatives offer a gentle and effective way to keep your hair healthy and clean. Give each method a try and see what works best for your hair type and lifestyle. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these shampoo-free methods for washing your hair? Which one worked best for you? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.